Hi everybody, my name is Rich Johnston. I'm the phys ed teacher here at Coastal Ridge Elementary. Welcome to your virtual open house. I'm glad you're spending some time learning about phys ed. I'll be very brief. You should click on the link on the phys ed slide and go to my website. You'll have an intro that tells you more about me and about the phys ed program, things we've done in the past, things we do every year, my philosophy, that sort of thing. So I'd rather have you spend some time on the website than watch a long video. So I'm just going to say that I'm looking forward to working with your kids this year. I love being a phys ed teacher. Fitness and health is kind of a passion of mine, and I struggle with it just like everybody else. But I try to really get your children interested in being a fit and healthy person, and I need you to help me with that. You're a bigger influence on them than I am, so I really hope you help reinforce the healthy eating from the 5 food groups. Sugary drinks and sugary snacks are a treat once in a while. Limit your screen time with the kids. Make sure they've got 60 minutes of activity in, movement, exercise before they sit down in front of a screen. And try to make it a family affair. Hikes and walks and bike rides and shopping together to pick out healthy foods and try new fruits and new vegetables. Get them involved in the meal planning and make sure they know which food group foods are in. See if you can include all 5 food groups in most of your meals. And if you can't, try to fit them into the next meal or a snack or something like that. Those are the kind of things I'm going to be saying over and over again this year to your kids. And for the 3 years they're here at Coastal Ridge, and hopefully it clicks with them at some point, maybe if not now, when they're teenagers, or even if they're adults, they'll say, oh, I remember Mr. Johnston used to say this all the time. So if you have any questions for me, if I can help in any way to help motivate your kids and keep them fit and healthy, or get them fit and healthy, please reach out to me via email is the best way. And that's about it. I look forward to spending time with your kids this year, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.